Petrosolar has been in the news lately for generating two highly sought-after things today: green energy and jobs. So Shihab, tell us why Petrosolar is important today.
Our system is a solar generator, if you wish, on the poles, but it also gives intelligence to the electric grid because we have communications devices, computing devices right there on the back of every solar panel. When we deploy those solar panels on the grid, they talk to each other and they create what's called a smart grid communications infrastructure. In addition, because we monitor the grid, we know what the voltage is, we know what the frequency is, we can report this back to the utility and become part of the grid reliability process. So we took this concept of a single solar panel that's fully functional and took it to the electric utility industry. In particular, our good partners in New Jersey, PSE&G. And we signed a contract with PSE&G in the summer of 2009 to deploy 200,000 of those systems in their jurisdiction. And we have put up over 20,000.
Shihab, you're hiring. You guys had a job fair recently in New Jersey where you had a lot of people applying. Talk to us about how fast jobs have grown from last year to this year and what you plan to do by the end of next year, or this year even.
Yes. At Petrosolar, we were at about 15 people in the spring of last year. Now we have over 130 people, and we're looking at exiting the year at about 165. If we also, and we should be gaining traction on some of the commercial deployments, that number can be up to about 250 to 260.
And if people were to apply for the 100 odd jobs that are still remaining at your company, what kind of people should apply?
We have quite a variety of job openings at Petrosolar, anywhere from high-end executive sales and marketing positions to engineering on the electrical front, software, mechanical, and to people who would be able to assemble electronic systems together.
And you need technicians to put them up on the poles.
So that is the other part of the success story. All the jobs we've mentioned do not include the jobs that are putting the systems up in the field. There's another 100 or 100 plus jobs that got created for the people who are putting up the systems on poles.
Because of the economic climate, I was laid off. I was without a job for about a month before I had picked up this position. As far as skill sets here, it was pretty much a port of the skill sets because I've been in manufacturing on and off through my career. I know when that line's working without having to be out there. I can hear it, and it gives me something that others don't have. It's a feeling that I get, and it's color. When that line works, it's like a symphony.
Right. So this is right now in New Jersey, but you're planning to expand or have already expanded in some other states?
Yes. We're currently engaged with over 40 utilities in North America alone, and that includes the U.S. and includes Canada. Those engagements, as they move into the commercial deployment phase, we would be creating jobs and assembly plants and factories at those locations. Those locations would include Florida, California, Ohio, Texas, Hawaii, and some provinces in Canada.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.